Hindi lahat ng nawawala ramdam agad. Minsan, opportunity pala ang tahimik na lumalabas. Akala mo okay ka na. May trabaho ka, may ipon ka kahit papano, may planong next year na lang. Pero ang tanong, alam mo ba kung ano yung unti-unti mong namimiss? Without IMG membership, here's what you may have lost without realizing it. Financial education. IMG teaches you how money really works, paano mag-ipon ng tama, umiwas sa bad debt, paano mag-invest ng may tamang strategy at hindi tsamba. Guidance, not guesswork. Kung wala kang mentor, YouTube at chismis lang ang nagiging advisor mo. IMG gives step-by-step guidance, hindi trial and error na magastos. Time advantage. Every year na delay, mas mahal ang future mo. Compounding favors the early, not the perfect. Access to opportunities. Investment, protection, long-term planning. Hindi lahat ng yan nakapost sa Facebook. Some doors open only when you are in the right community. A bigger vision for your family. IMG doesn't just ask magkano ang kinikita mo. It asks saan papunta ang buhay mo financially. Here's the hard truth. Hindi ka lugi dahil hindi ka member ng IMG. Lugi ka dahil hindi mo alam kung ano ang pwede mo sanang naging. But the good news is, opportunity is not gone. It's just waiting for awareness plus action. If this made you pause and think, that's not an accident. That's your future calling your attention. Comment ready if you want to stop missing out. Message me and let's talk about what you can still build starting today.